AI-enhanced medical image analysis. This project aims to assist radiologists in accurately detecting anomalies in X-ray images using advanced AI technologies. We start by obtaining the soft copies of X-ray images from radiologists at a body scanning center. These images are uploaded through a web interactive platform built using Streamlit. Once the X-ray image is uploaded, we use OpenCV to pre-process the image, removing white noise and enhancing its quality to ensure accurate analysis. Next, we move to feature extraction using TensorFlow. Our AI model detects the anomaly, determines its location, assesses the severity, and measures the size of the fracture. After detecting the anomaly, we send this information along with an annotated image to Gemini AI using the Google Vision API. We have customized the Gemini AI using prompt engineering to provide diagnostic solutions. For additional proof, we retrieve similar case X-ray images from a trained dataset, helping doctors better understand the anomaly. The results are displayed on the web platform, showing the patient ID, date of X-ray, detected anomaly, its location, severity, size, annotated images, similar cases, and diagnostic solutions. Radiologists can then format this information into a comprehensive document using Python's report lab. This document is then emailed to the patient. Simultaneously, all this information is stored in a MySQL database for future reference and study analysis. In summary, our project streamlines the diagnostic process, providing accurate and quick results to assist radiologists and improve patient care.